Drake wanted to start a family with his former partner, Rihanna. The 31-year-old rapper and the work hitmaker have a long romantic history of on and off dating, which spans from 2005 until 2016. And despite the pair no longer being romantically linked, Drake has said he is slightly disappointed he doesn't have a fairy tale life, as he once wanted Rihanna to be the mother of his children. The Hotline Bling rapper and Rihanna first became linked in 2005 at a Toronto diner where Rihanna shot her music video for debut single Pon De Replay. In 2016, Drake professed his love for the What's My Name singer while presenting her with the video Vanguard Award at the MTV Music Video Awards. Later that year, sources said the pair had parted ways just a few months after making their romance official, and earlier this year, Rihanna said she is no longer close to her former flame. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.